Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how you can redeem Fortnite V-Bucks gift card. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Epic Games and simply log in with your account. After logging in, you'll be able to see all of the games available for you to access. Now click over on the profile tab present at the top right corner and select account. Now a bunch of settings option will appear in front of you. What you need to do is simply scroll down the list of options in the left side menu and select apps and accounts. Now you can link your Fortnite account with Epic Games to claim your V-Bucks. And after linking account successfully, open up a new tab and go over to this side. Here you can redeem your V-Bucks gift card from Fortnite's official website. To start redeeming, tap on Get Started and insert your gift card code. After that, it will ask you to select your preferred device. You can select PC, Mac, Xbox, PlayStation, Switch. In case of PlayStation, go over to this side, log in with your account, and then redeem your gift card easily. In the case of Xbox, you can go to Microsoft gift card redemption, and then you can get your credits from there as well. And that's how you can redeem Fortnite V-Bucks gift card. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.